Hello everyone, me again. I'm taking a walk and I thought I'd just show you my walking routine. So I parked my car over there, my beautiful baby. Can't see, there's a mist cloud, but nice mountain. And then we're gonna go down to the ocean now. So to get down from the road, we're gonna go down all these stairs. I would say we're about halfway now. We're reaching the bottom road. And you can see the ocean is a bit closer. And we're going all the way down there. During the week I park here in this road. But over weekends it's very busy, so and that's the beach where we want to get, but still steps. This will be Clifton first beach, right on the end, and we're going to now walk that way towards the rest. So I would like to get one of those flats up there. This is the end of Clifton 1, all the way down the beach. Walk, and now we're going to walk all the way there. So this will be beach number 2. The third beach. The houses are becoming houses nowadays. And this will be the fourth beach. But there's so many people here, I'm not gonna even bother doing anything. So that's Clifton 2, the second beach. I'm way up here on the road. Now I still need to go all the way up to there, to the top of these houses. That's where my car is parked. And you can see there, I'm the same level. The road where I'm on is about there, that level. And the stairs all the way down to the beach, but it's a lovely beach. They go up and up and up and up and up. And finally at the top. Luckily I don't need to climb all the way up there.
Left side.
Over there, that beach over there is Clifton.
Drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry.